snowstorm tonight. Hopefully it's later on, not right now, while I'm doing this delivery. Alright. Hey, yes I do, sir, for Skylar B. That's me right there?
Have a good one.
Perfect, you too, sir. I'm gonna take a picture.
You need delivery bag?
Yes, please. Thank you. Oh my God, yes.
You have a great day, all right?
You too, sir. Thank you.
Stay
Go home safe.
okay?
You too.
Thank you.
You too, sir.
Oh, I'm locking.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm the last guy. All right, see you at the drop-off. Hey, guys, know where the drop-off table is? Oh, thank you. Whole bag in there.